And we're on the very mild side of that system, no doubt, but it is the same system that brought the snow that we just showed you. Notice Storm Tracker 6, we have very light to moderate rain. There are some pockets of heavier downpours showing up along 75. You notice that at the bottom of your screen, Lenore City, Loudon, Tellico Village, probably a little bit heavier downpour, maybe some heavy gusty winds in that area. But you notice that starting to move the rain out from west to east, and we expect that process to continue. Already dried out along the plateau and parts of the moving down into the valley now. Part of Roane County already dried out. So this will be continuing to move off to the east. Light to moderate rain continues, and it will continue to move right on out of the picture, and we'll look forward to that. Very beneficial, especially with the brush fires that we've heard about here over the last couple of days. Rain continues to move out. A cooler night is ahead. Many of you were in the 60s early this morning, and there's more sunshine. Although it won't be total sunshine, there's more sunshine on the way. Road's a little bit damp there in Pigeon Forge. This is a parkway headed toward the Great Smoky Mountains there from the top of the Smoky Mountain Opry. So everybody will have to deal with the wet roads, but the good news is that it's not really a whole hydroplaning, ponding of water situation, not real heavy rain. 53 in Knoxville, 54 Oak Ridge. Look at the cooler air in Crossville at 46. 57 seems pretty warm in the Tri-Cities at this hour, but you can see where the cooler air is. 45 in Nashville, 39 in Paducah. We're going to get a taste of the cooler air, but when you compare it to 72 yesterday and in the mid-60s earlier today, we're just going back a little bit below average for this time of the year. 8 o'clock tonight, we should be about 49 as we continue to dry it out from west to east. Cool start in the morning at 38 here, and should be mostly sunny by the afternoon, looking at about 53 for a temperature about 4 in the afternoon. The cloud cover, and then here come the narrow band of showers ahead of the cold front, the drier air working in behind it. So although we're not totally clear behind the system, it'll take a while for the drier air to move in. I think we may see some clouds early in the day, but some afternoon sunshine and a cool breeze. Midnight, most of the rain's well east of us, and it may end up with a flurry or two over the mountains. Not a big deal as the colder air tries to wrap in. But notice at 8 o'clock in the morning, we're partly cloudy, then mostly sunny. This is the lunch hour on Tuesday, and we'll take that all the way into Tuesday night and Wednesday as well. There may be a few clouds mix in on Wednesday as kind of a reinforcement of cooler air comes along, but you'll notice the timeline at 10 o'clock tomorrow night into Tuesday morning keeps it basically dry and basically cloud-free with the exception of those few thin clouds that rotate through on Wednesday morning. So what you can expect tonight is the possibility of a flurry or two. This is, by the way, this is Wednesday afternoon, mainly southeast Kentucky. Tonight, we'll see the clouds continue to move out, and we'll continue to dry it out as well, down to about 38. Breezy and cooler. 40% chance coverage goes to 0 overnight, and then tomorrow 54, a drier day with some more sunshine to enjoy, just a few clouds mixed in. 49 Wednesday, Thursday 52, near 60, and we're back in the mid-60s as we hit